High five. No brake stand. That's pretty cool, pretty good. No pinion snubber, no traction devices at all currently. Brand new leaf springs. Just took us forever and a half to install them. Car looks really good out there, Dad.
It didn't act like it's wheel hopping.
No wheel hop at all. I was impressed. No traction. Here you go, folks. No more traction bars. Can't give Dad crap anymore. Finally got around to installing one of our leaf spring shock mount plates that we acquired years and years ago. And the original plan was always to put all the new extra heavy duty Mopar leaves on Dad's car when he got his Dana. And well, we like buying projects and having fun, so the Dana keeps getting pushed back, and the 8 3/4 is doing a great job, so we went ahead and removed these. Plus, while we're at No Name, a couple of people had made some observations that these might not have been the right leaf springs, but no, they're the right ones. We got a 7-pack, and that one's 6. So yeah, these were the original leaf springs. We're gonna probably hang on to these just because we're hoarders and whatnot. And I'll throw in some little pictures of like the new springs versus these right about here probably.
I was in 3rd gear, I went to 3rd gear and I was still spinning.
That looked really cool when you just carried those 2 long black marks. That was great. And you had little pebbles falling off your tires when you were pulling in.
I was channeling my inner Daniel Barber.
That looked pretty good. So yeah, just Dad wanted to take his car out since he just got all the leaf springs done, and just wanted to get her settled in so that way he could start making his final adjustments for suspension. This side, you can see it's actually sitting up. The whole passenger side of the car is a little taller. And we're gonna do a little bit of adjustments with the torsion bars to get the car sitting a little more level, but ain't too bad, really. And then, of course, we got to find Dad an adjustable pinion number for his 8 3/4, because all I have is Dana 60 pinion numbers. I have every version they've ever made, but I don't have any adjustable 8 3/4 ones. I got a factory ones, and they're just itty bitty.
Time it's been started since we unloaded it off the trailer.
It fired right up pretty much. I didn't catch any of the cold start, but
We went right back to the track.
he left some pretty daggone good marks.
My territory.
You're gonna have, if you keep that crap up, Dad, you're gonna have to start buying your own tires. Oh, I've been waiting. You don't know how many years I've been waiting to say that back to you.
Yeah, I think I'll lower this one a little bit.
Yeah.
See what goes.
Yeah, I think the idea of lowering this side instead of raising the driver's side up, I kind of really like how the car looks on the other side. Hang on. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot lower over here.
This side is more appropriate to me. And there ain't nothing you can do really about getting the 295 5015s on the 1510s. You're not going to be able to get those tucked up in without a narrowed rear end, which there ain't nothing wrong with that. That actually looks really perfect.
I still got them at 20 pounds.
Oh, do you?
Still got my air, low air.
Yeah, I like this look better. So do a little adjusting on the torsion bars and well, we'll keep making little
I'm
snippets.
glad it didn't hop.
I was really impressed. I figured it was just going to do a bunch of stupid crap, but you know what? That is Chrysler's engineering right there.
It went straight.
Yeah.
I didn't even have to steer it. That second one I had to steer a little bit, it started drifting a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
But the first one, I just shifted.
That's all in that. It's all in the way Chrysler did the leaf springs. Shorter front segment, longer rear segment. Eliminates a lot of axle hop. So maybe the traction bars, you know, I had said the other day, maybe the traction bars were actually helping, because for some reason I thought Dad's 8 3/4 had a pinions number on it, but it does not.
Well, we changed that jug.
We did. Oh, I wonder if we gave that to,
3 times.
I wonder if that stayed with Elvis.
I don't remember. I don't think it had. I would have remembered that.
Yeah, I would have thought so too. But yeah, no pinions number, no slapper bars,